Boom, quick tutorial. Yeah, I'm reformed. So I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on sustains because I did one when I started my channel. It sucks because I got a lot better. So I'm gonna show you how to do sustains that I've been grinding out on my pack. So like this. So a lot of bullshit. So let's get started. So I already have created a pattern called sustain. Let's do that. So I could use serum. I actually want to do it on serum and citrus. So it'll probably be split in two parts. So first of all, serum. Remove random. First of all, we're just gonna control the volume. So we want it to be a sustain. So we're gonna do red. Hell yeah. Now put that 3 octaves down. Super. What am I? Yeah, perfect. I like to use. Yeah, that's a cool wavetable. Already sounds like a sustain kinda. Now we're gonna boom this into another wavetable. So we're gonna remove the volume of this, and we're just gonna use it to FM. So we're gonna use this. Make sure to use PD, not FM, because FM sucks. Let's say like 34. Now, filters. Could just use a bed notch. Let's put that on the cutoff and use that on the frequency. I key track most of my basses, and now pull the resonance up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's say this. Maybe at sync. Alright, let's keep it at that. Distortion. Boom, big multiband compression. Now we're gonna do some hyperdimension expander. Woo! Gonna use this. Depending on how evil you want to make it sound, use this mix. 25% is pretty good most of the time. Now filters, you can use all bass comms, it doesn't really matter. You can use fucking, I don't know, com plus. Let's do that. Yes, that sounds good. Okay, so now let's put that through the mixer. Okay, so now let's distort it. Use any distortion you want. Don't want to make it like super crackle, but just enough distortion. Now we're gonna bang that through an OTT. Um, okay, perfect. Maybe this needs reverb. It's not stereo enough. Yeah, like that. Maybe wave stripper. Could save it. And now EQ it. Okay. Maybe what could we even add to this dispersers instead? Like duplicate dispersers. This is probably dumb as shit, but makes it like liquid. No, just EQ it again. Make it a little bit brighter. Now put this here. We're probably gonna group the sub and the sustain. So, get these dispersers off my screen. Get this on a note. Now we will do a little sub action. So, not too complicated, just sine wave that's getting 3 octaves down, boom, doing a similar LFO. Run that through a distortion. Perfect. Pretty much already done, almost. So, pull this in the mixer. Just remove any of those harmonics that's we don't need. Put this in linear mode because it's a sub. Make it loud enough. Loud enough so it don't clip. Put in the group with the sustain. Wow, we already have a sustain. Okay. Now we can play with this a little bit. Sounds cool, I guess. Maybe the dispersers actually sucks. Yeah, let's keep 2. And let's see how healthy the stereo is. Yeah, this could use a little bit more oomph. Maybe we're just gonna abuse comp filters because I am a dog. Yeah. It already sounds good, but can do more. Let's use OTT again because OTT never sounds bad. So the sub is low-key too loud because it's clearly clipping. So we might need to turn that down. Okay. Now we're gonna OTT. gonna pull the depth till basically we wanna make it as loud as possible without the sub passing 0. Boom. So now it should sound good off the bat. Hell yeah. Okay. Okay. I mean, we're almost done, pretty much. Maybe this and imager ozone. Just making sure the sub is mono. This bend a bit more, and yeah, it's pretty stereo. This sounds pretty big. I think this is already better than my first tutorial and then on sustained. Maybe the wave shaper is kind of ruining the high end. Yeah. For now, it's a pretty clean sustain. You can probably dirt it up a little bit. But I felt pretty tame today, so I did not go crazy with it. Can still play with it. Yeah, this is a Marauder sustain now. Yeah, that's cool. Use citrus. I want to use citrus, so open up citrus. Where's citrus? Where's citrus? Here. Wow, great. Now citrus is so loud. We're just gonna make this a sustain, so use the envelope of the volume and activate it, and let's draw the shape we want. Let's put this here. So it's very low pitched. Now let's actually start adding harmonics. That sounds pretty cool. Let's add this and start. Modulation, can we use that? Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Already sounds pretty cool. Let's put it in the same rack and let's actually play that. Just to see. Oh, this sounds good, but there's no effects from Serum, so we're gonna add the same effects we added on Serum. So we're gonna go here and add like hyperdimension expander, boom, and some filters. So let's do that. Let's use comp. Yeah, that's sexy. Now let's badass. Maybe let's use this volume envelope. That's pretty cool. Maybe add some like high pitched thing in the background. Yeah, that's badass. Maybe let's use that. Match those two. That's fucking beastly. Kinda ear piercing, but I love it. Literally sounds like a machine getting back. I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. Like, I've done a sustain on Citrus and on Serum. This was pretty fun. This was pretty straightforward. Sustains are easy. Don't get baited. Make more of them. Make a lot. Sound designing is intimidating. You just need to do it a lot and you will be good. It's pretty dumb. Get your shapes. Understand how wording works. Then try to understand wavetables, filters, and effects. And when you got that, you can do everything, literally. So yeah, this is the new revamped sustain tutorial. Play both at the same time. Yeah, that's what Mozart died for. Okay, have a nice rest of your day.